Right, let's solve this question. Let's balance this. It's not balanced right now, but I can see a 3 here and nothing is there. So I'm already tempted to place a 3 in front of the PT on the right there to try to balance that. Okay. I mean, when I look at the scary thing here, which is the NO2, 4 of it, it seems like it's already happy. It's balanced there. So let's place a 3 here. So that should balance the PT, but it should alter my NO2 group there. It now makes it 12 because 3 times 4 is 12. So I need to come here and place a 3 here so that 3 times this 4 will also be 12 for that NO2 group. Now that 3 I've placed on the left hand side has made my SN to be how many? 3. And on the right hand side, the product side, my SN is also 3. So it means that my stannum is balanced. Right, so since the tin is already balanced and my platinum is already balanced, my nitrite area is balanced. Everything looks good. The nitrogen standing alone is also fine. So this should be the end of it. All right. So if you have any questions, if any of these things are not clear to you and you want to ask us a question personally, or you even want to book a tutoring session, you can go on copychemistry.com. On the front page there, you should see a link to book a session. It's very, very easy. And once you fill the form, we'll know what you need help with, right? And then somebody will reach out to you and let you know other important things like cost and all that. Okay, so yeah, that's it pretty much. If you're watching this on YouTube, subscribe to this page and like the video, and I'll see you on 49. Bye bye.